Hey there, we are on the first stop of the day here in Tarpon Springs, Florida. We will be doing a pool cage and pool deck for this particular client. As you can see, we do have a lot of green buildup on the cage. It's all over the screens. And of course, it's starting to grow on the pool deck and some of the patio furniture as well. Now we do have a few areas right here, right there, and right over there where there are some tears in the screens. If you look up above that panel, we do have a spline that is lifted. But as you can see, we do have a lot of green buildup on the cage itself. It is a little bit oxidized, nothing terrible. We do have some paint that is peeling. And then of course, we have some lichens starting in some of these areas that will be a little bit more difficult to remove, such as up there. We're going to give that a little bit extra dwell time. But there you can see more of what we're working with today. If we look very close, we can see all the buildup on the screens. With current lighting conditions, it is kind of difficult to see some of that. I don't know how much of that will come through the camera. But we are going to go get the van set up and get started. Alright, we are finished up at this location and getting ready to head to the next stop. Here you can see the final result on this project. As you recall, we had a lot of green and black algae build up on this cage. The screens were also really filthy as well. Depending on how the light reflects everything, you should be able to see how clean the screens are now. Of course, we've rinsed down all those slider doors and the windows back here. Want to make sure everything's nice and clean when we leave. But there you have it. We are all finished and heading to our next stop a few minutes down the road. Alright, we are at the next location just a few miles down the road. We are here for their pool cage and their pool deck as well. I'll turn this camera around so you can see what we're working with here. As you can see, we have a lot of green and black algae buildup on the cage and on the screens. There is also quite a few pine needles. We will be able to shoot some of those out, but not all of them. We'll be soft washing the deck itself. But as you can see, this is the condition upon arrival and what we are working against right now. We'll do a rinse down in this lanai area back here. This home will be going on the market soon, so we want to get it looking as nice as we can for them. Van is all set up and ready to go. We're going to get everything started. Follow along. We are finished here with this project. We have done the pool deck and the screen enclosure. As you can see, everything is nice and white again. All of the green and black algae that was built up on the screens and the framework has been removed. Of course, we cleaned all this area back here as well. All the windows have been rinsed down. As you can see, they look very nice because we do run a multi-filter system on the pressure washer. Of course, we got back there behind all the landscaping as well. All right, there you have it. We are finished with this project. If you find yourself in need of a pool deck cleaning, a screen enclosure cleaning, driveways, house wash, roof cleaning, anything of that nature, we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Give me a call, 727-200-2352.